Hey creators! Tired of shaky smartphone videos that make you look like a dancing giraffe on roller skates? Same. But worry no more, because today we're unleashing the ShootStar, the all-in-one filmmaking tool that promises to transform your smartphone into a pro-level film studio. Does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First things first, this thing is slick. It's lightweight, compact, and fits right in your pocket. You'd never guess it has the power to stabilize your shaky hands, light your scenes, and even give you pro-level audio control. Talk about a pocket powerhouse. Setting up? Easier than making instant noodles. Just clip your phone in, choose your lighting mode, warm, cool, white, even RGB, and connect your headphones for crystal clear audio monitoring. That's it. You're ready to shoot like a Hollywood director, right from your smartphone, and shoot you will. The built-in gimbal stabilizer glides like butter, eliminating shakiness and giving you that smooth cinematic vibe. Whether you're vlogging, filming tutorials, or capturing epic travel moments, the ShootStar keeps your shots looking polished and professional. But the magic doesn't stop there. The ShootStar boasts a detachable remote control with a shutter button and zoom slider. Imagine filming yourself without awkwardly pressing your phone. You can even control the lighting and switch modes from afar. Talk about creative freedom. And did I mention the noise-canceling microphone? No more battling noisy wind or city traffic. Your audio will be crisp and clear, making your videos sound as good as they look. Overall, the ShootStar is a game changer for mobile filmmakers. It's versatile, easy to use, and packs a punch of pro-level features in a compact package. No more shaky footage, bad lighting, or awkward camera work. With the ShootStar, you can shoot and record like a pro right from your pocket. So ditch the shaky cam and unleash your inner Spielberg. Head over to the ShootStar Kickstarter campaign, link in description, and become a master of mobile filmmaking. Your audience will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tech tips. And remember, with the ShootStar, the only shaky thing will be your audience's knees from your mind-blowing videos.